Hello everyone, welcome to Universe is Unique in English vocabulary. Word of the day is former. Former. Former को हिंदी में कहते हैं पूर्व. Of an earlier time, belonging to the past. पूर्व काल का, अतीत कालीन. Former refers to something that came at an earlier time or before something else. सो फॉर्मर को हिंदी में कहते हैं पूर्व. नाउ सिनोनिम्स ऑफ फॉर्मर आर प्रायर, एक्स, प्रीवियस, अर्लियर एंड पास्ट. एंटोनिम्स ऑफ फॉर्मर आर प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर, सब्सिक्वेंट एंड आफ्टर. Now, example sentences. First sentence is the unemployed executives include former sales managers, directors and accountants. Second, he is a former student of mine. So that's all for today's video. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं so please subscribe to my channel Universe is Unique to learn English vocabulary words every day. Thank you so much for watching.